How to connect GoDaddy domain to Shopify. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will teach you how you will be able to connect your GoDaddy domain that you have purchased in GoDaddy inside of your Shopify store, as you can see here. Now, first things first, this is our home screen. What you're going to do is you're going to look over here on the left side, on the bottom left. Select Settings. Over here, you will see our settings page. Locate over here on the left side the domain option, which is this one over here, domains. So simply select that one. And as you can see in this page, you will be able to buy a new domain or connect existing domain. So simply select connect existing domain and simply put into here your GoDaddy domain that you have for your store, as you can see here. And by doing that, you will be able to proceed to the next step and connect that specific domain to your Shopify store. You can also try and purchase it through Shopify by clicking on buy new domain and then putting in the domain that you want. And as you can see here, you will be able to buy domain, but in some cases, GoDaddy will not be an option in this section. But anyway, that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.